supporters split up, then our support base reduces. So I think ODM is going to do the best it can. We're going to see improvements. All the people in charge understand that our victory is at stake if we do not, first of all, consolidate our votes and reach out with an agenda to other people who might not know why they should support us. So if we spend too much time in internal fighting, we'll lose. Someone like Otuoma, he has a right to petition within the party. I think he has a right to take it to the dispute tribunal. He has a right to take it even all the way to the High Court. But if that doesn't happen and he doesn't think that's the way, the risk for ODM is that you will see instead people are going to vote apathy or a split. If Otuoma does an independent run and Ojamong is the ODM candidate and Jubilee finds opportunistically another viable candidate, this famous kupitia katikati yao thing can happen in Kenya. It happened here in Nairobi. We lost Makadara last time because our Wiper candidate, George Aladwa, no, for ODM candidate George Aladwa was in there. He got about 8,000 votes. The Wiper candidate, a wonderful lady candidate, got 6,000 votes, and the Jubilee candidates managed to pass in between them with 2,000 vote difference. So if we are divided, NASA, as we are fielding many people, if we don't reach compromises, we're going to find places where tactically we are losing